Hey, look at that.
Beetlejuice's Grave is iconic. Let's make this reusable version for your next Halloween display using an Ikea Coat Stand. You'll need a sheet of XPF foam from the hardware store, corrugated plastic sheets, some foam clay, Bose is my favourite brand, PVA glue, black and grey paint, something to secure the sign and tombstone to, lights and fabric to finish it all off.
It's showtime.
First, draw out the 3 figures onto the XPF foam, then carefully carve them out with a sharp knife. Cut wider than you're drawing, this way it's easier to round the edges later. The XPF is quite brittle, so take your time. Carve out the details as you go. Muscle and bone definition makes them convincing. Use fine sandpaper to smooth out the edges. You want everything to be rounded and worn, but not super smooth. Please wear a respirator when sanding the foam. Cut the plastic sheet into a tombstone shape. Trace the words and cut them out using a sharp knife. I found leaving small vertical pieces, like in a stencil font, strengthens the cutout letters. Spread small pieces of clay across the whole plastic sheet to form a rough, uneven, stone-like surface. Good quality foam clay will just stick to the plastic. If you need to glue any pieces, use a plastic and EVA foam safe glue. Use an XPF safe glue and some skewers to attach the figures to the plastic tombstone. Leave the glue and foam to cure for at least 24 hours. Seal the foam clay, cork-flute and XPF foam figures with slightly watered down PVA glue or Flex Bond. It's very important to seal every surface. Get right into every nook and cranny, as the paint may melt the foam pieces. Add 2 coats of sealant. Leave it to dry and cure between coats. For the base layer, paint everything dark grey. Sponge a light grey or white paint lightly over the top and add black inside the recesses to make them pop. Glue red sheer fabric to the back over the words. Create a plinth as the base, gluing fake moss to the edges. Include a slit for the headstone to complete the look. Use the red and clear plastic sheets to make the sign. Add globe fairy lights and adhesive letters to finish. Use cable ties to attach both elements to the coat stand. Disguise the stand using greenery from the garden. Add a pile of soil, and there you have it, Beetlejuice's tomb.